And we're back with our new safety goggles. And for step 4, it says, in a separate cup, pour a packet of yeast into a quarter cup of warm water and stir. Wait a few seconds for the yeast to be activated. Alright.
Did you open that? Or did you
We got our yeast here, and we're going to pour it into here.
Mm-mm.
Oh, nope, into here.
Wow.
So the entire thing, I'm pretty sure.
Yep. Probably like 1 tablespoon.
And then pretty sure we dump it into here.
Oh,
Nope.
no. You have to measure the water. I didn't measure the water.
Nope.
Measure the water into here.
Put the cup down.
Okay. I have no idea what's going on.
It's okay. You guys are doing this together.
Okay.
And
Why don't you get a screwdriver for him? You can stir that up.
Not the
No,
pen.
I'll give you something. Oh,
Here, use this. No, use this.
we should
Don't use Daddy's tools.
that's okay.
We can wash I just said you can use this. Okay.
Oh,
You could use the. Mom's doing it. I was gonna say we could use the things that it gave us, but apparently not.
Oh, yeah. Here, use this. Keep stirring.
all right. What's step 5? That says for a couple minutes or what?
Let it wait a few seconds for it. It smells like Cheerios.
It's the yeast in it.
This is gonna spill.
Yeah, it smells a lot like Cheerios. And it
Oh.
pretty stinky slow. And the third thing is pour the yeast mixture into the bottle. Ooh.
Oh, it's this when it's going to...
That's
No,
the
let it
activator.
sit for a minute, okay? Alright.
Uh-oh. Scoop that off and chunk it up.
This is
help.
You got it. You
yeah,
got
that
it.
stinks. Alright, get the screwdriver.
What else do they make yeast from?
And teamwork. Oh god. Yeast, get out of here.
You can use your finger. Just push it in.
Do you know what they use yeast to make?
Bread.
Yeah.
Also to probably yeet people.
Use your finger and just scoop it off.
Okay. This yeast is not participating.
Well, it's goopy, so you'll have to use your finger and.
That should be pretty
Cool. Hold on. You gotta really make sure there's not a glob of it on the bottom.
Yeah.
Where it's not gonna work.
So let's
Check the bottom.
push it off with our fingers. And then, oh yeah, he got it really well on the bottom. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
We're making yeast, Molly.
No, we're not just making yeast.
What is the yeast gonna do?
It's gonna help us making this giant explosion of elegant toothpaste. It's gonna be awesome.
All right. Are you ready?
We're gonna
The next
show
step.
Does it
it.
need
No,
to
we
s-
have to let it sit for 4 minutes. What?
4 minutes.
It
Let's
says
check.
a few minutes. Yeah. And the
So-
few is like
So let's go to a commercial break.
commercial break. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Hi, it's almost Christmas, and are you looking for something to deck out your house? Buy this pillow. It has very checkeredly Christmas colors, and on the back, it's Noah-rific. How cute is that? Put these all over your house, and soon people are going to be coming over and being like, I'm going to get some pillows. Shop now, only $5.99 each.
All right. Welcome back,
This is an exothermal reaction, I think. I don't know.
Isaac.
Watch out!
Nice. Whoop. There we go. Measure. What's the temperature of that?
Hold it. 31, 33. Dad, you
Look
said
at the
this was
heat
a
coming
slow
off of it.
reaction.
I know. Look at the heat coming off of it.
Can we touch it? It says 18. It seems like it's cooling down. Oh, it's like foam. It's cooling down. Wait, give me that. It
Here.
might be because.
So what happened? Here, measure the temperature at the top.
That was actually kind of easy. Not really. I think you want to 15.5. Somebody's gonna have
Celsius or you're
Celsius.
Oopsie poopsie.
We'll wipe it off now, Sophie.
Oh, it smells funny.